Hey guys, happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you guys have some delicious tacos or something today. I wanted to just quickly go over for today because there were probably going to be a few questions. So hold on, my computer's slow. So I just kind of wanted to. You will have to sign up for an Epic account. I did create one for our class. I didn't put you guys individually in. So again, you click here to get a graphic novel on an Epic account. And then that's our class code, and you can look through. It's actually really cool. They have so many good books that a lot of you guys I see reading. And I know a lot of you guys have graphic novels at home, so if you just want to use that, that's awesome too. But I would still look at this Epic account. It's pretty good. It has a lot of good books, and it's free for you guys. Okay, and then watch both of these videos. It's Miss Norris, and then this is, again, the official lesson that she's kind of explaining. Okay, and then this, I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of questions. You're basically filling out this graphic organizer here. I'll click it. And I know a lot of you guys don't have a printer, so that's totally fine, and you can't type on this because it's a PDF. That's totally fine. If you guys want to just make a quick one on a random piece of paper at home, that's fine too. Okay, so I mean, this isn't really that hard to make at home, so just do that. If you do have a printer and you want to do that, that's awesome too. And then what you're actually doing for what you're turning in for me. I know there's again, a lot of directions here. You are going to be writing a reflection. So after you fill out that graphic organizer on the characters, you are going to write at least a paragraph, okay? So that's 4 to 5 sentences, talking about one of the characters, okay? And these are just prompts to get you started. You don't have to use this, okay? Think about all the stuff we've done throughout all the school year. You can, again, so imagine if I just said, open your journal and you're writing a paragraph about the character, okay? So that's what you're writing. Just write a paragraph about the character that's in your graphic novel, okay? So that's literacy. Math, I'll go over, well, actually I'll do social studies first, so if you're not one of my math people, you don't have to listen to this. Okay, social studies today is again about the bank. Okay, so first you're going to kind of just do a little discussion post, do a little Padlet, okay, watch the video about banks, okay, and then your independent practice, okay, gives you the directions. You're going to be creating an advertisement, okay, to know about savings accounts, checking accounts, and loans. You will do this through the Nearpod. Okay, so you're not doing two separate things. This is kind of just giving you the directions up here of what you will be doing in the Nearpod. So again, you'll be creating an advertisement in the Nearpod. Okay, and again, you should be able to do it straight from here. The code is only for if you end up having to do it on your app. Okay, so if you have an iPad or something and you have just the Nearpod app, you can look up my specific one with just this code. Okay, so you don't need, that's the only reason I give you that code, in case some of you guys have it on your phone or whatever. Okay, so you'll be submitting the advertisements through the Nearpod, and you'll mark it up and everything with the markers on there. Okay, so those, I just wanted to quickly explain that. If you're not one of my math people, you can kind of turn this off now, and I'll show you the math. If you're one of my math people, real quickly. It is the daily grade, and it's just a pass-fail. So again, if you do it properly, that means you get an easy 100, okay? And again, I've made this a discussion. You're activating engagement. I would look at what other people, when I make things a discussion, that means I want you to look at other people's answers in our class, okay? So they might give you an idea, okay? But your daily grade, again, is completing this Nearpod. So do everything that it asks. Make sure you put your name on it, because I can't make the guessing game, or if you keep my name on there, I have no idea that you did it. Okay, so again, this is a pass-fail. If you don't want your name on the list on Friday for not completing this, make sure you put your name and go through the Nearpod and answer all the questions. Okay? So it should be an easy daily grade for you guys. If you guys follow along, you will need to have watched the video, though, okay, to answer those questions. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay, bye.